Yeah, what's going on? So today we got a video from police on scene, and the title of the video is Family Unleashes Max Chaos at Southwest Airlines Gate. So let's get into the video. Let's see what they actually are talking about here.
On May 5th, 2024, the Broward County Sheriff's Office was called to the scene at the airport for reports of a potential incident occurring at the gate. The following shows the body-worn camera footage of what happened during the incident.
Hi.
Hello, it's going to be by a few minutes.
Sweetie, what do you got? They called me for Alpha 1.
We can call.
Maybe go
But
over
it was
there.
maybe it was
I
a,
didn't call.
maybe it was an ops.
You right?
Maybe it was an ops.
All right. Sorry. You called?
Yeah.
What happened?
1 second.
Come listen. Okay, so we got a bunch of young ladies on the side here. They're boarding pre-board, and I told them you can't take them down. She's using obscene language. She's still cursing back and forth, and then she's gonna write an email. She take pictures. So you need to talk to the one.
Are they flying?
Yeah. If
Are
not,
they still flying?
the one in the gray shirt.
Okay, why is she still flying if she's getting
Exactly. So I want her off.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. You got her name? You got
No, not
everything you
yet.
need? All right. Okay, you understand you're not flying, right? You.
She didn't say me.
Okay, yeah. She's telling me right now.
Right here.
Oh, these two what?
She's removing you from the
How
flight.
you remove me from the flight when she was on her phone?
I asked her her name because
She was on the phone.
She jumped over here. My
She
conversation.
was
I
on the
was
phone.
like,
Why she
she jumped over here.
Wait, but hold on. But you're like jumping up all
No,
over.
nothing happened. You wasn't talking to her.
I'm gonna tell you something. She probably take you off too if you jump into that.
But nobody was talking to her. So how we off the plane if nobody talked
But
to
she
her?
already said they're
She
not
was
flying
yelling at
no
her,
matter what
and
you
then I told her
say.
that she wasn't talking to her.
I was right here on my
But
phone.
don't be the third, because she'll remove
No, it ain't no third because it ain't no way I'm not getting on this flight and my child in airport.
But I'm
So
just
who do I
telling
need
you.
to talk to? Ain't no way I'm not getting on this flight and my child in airport.
Oh boy. Gotta know when to mind your business. Gotta know when to mind your business. The officer said, hey, don't be the third. And she letting her know, hey, listen, your ticket secured right now, boy. Don't make no funny movements, cause you running up on me like you just you see how she just popped up in the camera like that? Bow. I said, oh, hold up, what? Oh yeah. She letting her know, like, yeah, your ticket could be you might have to get refunded too, you hear me? So boy, be easy.
Because all I told her that she was talking on the phone.
Run the camera back because, like I said, I was over here on my
No,
phone.
because
She
I didn't
jumped
say
over
nothing,
here
but
and I
she was
told
on the
her.
phone, so that doesn't make sense. I
Okay,
guess
the
somebody
dog-
that like that she's talking on the phone to somebody else. When nobody talking to her.
Exactly. Y'all can run the cameras back.
Okay,
I would say
it doesn't matter.
I want to talk to
They
her
already
because
said
it's
it.
not okay.
Are you supervisor? There you go. She's supervisor.
Somebody over her because I never say anything to
Guys,
her.
I'm gonna tell you
You
right
go get somebody
now.
else. I never say anything to her. I never say anything to her, so I can be put off for saying something to her. I never said. Okay, and I said nothing to her. I said nothing to her. I was over here in my phone with my earpiece on. She jumped over here. I said I'm on my
At this
phone.
point, you probably can get rescheduled.
Nobody would just
Because you're gonna end up getting arrested for trespassing.
What did I say wrong to you?
I didn't say anything.
What did I say wrong to
Now
you?
she took you off the plane, and I'm telling you, you're not flying.
What did I say wrong to you is the question. Answer what did I say wrong to her? Because all I told her that she was on the phone. She thought she was talking to her and I said she's on the phone.
She said you
She
can't
got mad
go
because I asked for her name. Yes, I want her name.
I'll give you the name. Come on, let's go, guys. Guys, excuse me. We gotta walk out of this right now. No? You saying no because I'm about to arrest you for trespassing.
I'm not trespassing. I
Because
didn't
I'm
say
telling
anything
you,
to
you're
her.
not flying.
I didn't say anything to her.
We need
So
to
how
go
am I not
up.
flying?
We need to go up to the counter.
No, man. No. Y'all can go get some more security. That don't make sense. Nobody
Sweetie,
said
I'm
nothing
not,
to
I'm
her.
not security. You're not flying.
Y'all gotta go get some more security. She said, sweetie, I'm not security. Oh yeah, you better know who you talking to now, cause you looking like disorderly conduct to me. This is what this is starting to escalate to. So that might be another charge tone that voice down. You better start acting right.
But you're not flying.
Because I have a lot going on.
Let's go, guys.
You haven't gave a reason though.
Let's go.
So make you haven't gave a reason. All I told her she wasn't talking to her. I didn't even say nothing to her. So it's no reason for me to be out of the flight. For her not to talk. That's crazy. That's crazy. Because I said she want to talk to you. I can't fly.
And the
That
second
doesn't
I
make
said I
sense.
wasn't talking to you.
Guys,
I'm on my
I
phone.
just want you to know that I'm not saying it again.
Reason.
You are.
You gotta give me a reason
Because
why.
I'm not getting up to your level, but I am.
Because
I
I'm
already.
upset because I didn't do nothing to
But
her.
I already told you.
I'm
let's
upset
leave.
because I didn't do nothing
But you're
to
telling me
her.
it's okay, and I'm telling you you're gonna go
But
to
I didn't
jail.
do nothing to her. So what is the?
So
never
she
said what
said
the problem
no
was.
because you're causing a disturbance, and she said you can't
It's
fly.
disturbing now because you're telling me I can't go home. It's
I'm
a
trying to make it
disturbance
easy
now.
for you, so I'm trying to tell you, let's walk out of here. Let's just walk out of here, because I'm telling you you're going to jail.
How am I going to jail? I ain't even did nothing.
Oh, because you're still standing here.
Where the hell am I supposed to go if you're not directing
We're
me nowhere?
leaving out of
You
this
have not started
area.
walking.
Let's go. We're going to the
You have to
car.
start walking.
Because I'm waiting for you to turn
I'm
around
right
and
here,
go.
baby. I'm ready.
Sweetie, let's go, because I'm not having you walk behind me. We're going
That's
up to the
fine.
counter. Okay. Let's go, sweetie. She's gone. I'm going to give her like 20, like too many. Come on. Give your friend your bag. Come on.
Charlie, what the fuck make no sense? I have a whole wheelchair
Go ahead.
and she
Keep
still need
going.
help.
Keep going.
That don't make no damn sense. That don't make no sense. Y'all finna make me y'all play for what though? Y'all didn't even explain to why I can't ride. Because she said something to her.
Yeah,
She
but
never
that's
said
something
something
with
to
customer
me.
service. Once I tell you you gotta go, you gotta
But
go.
she never
and
said
that's
nothing
it.
to me. So that's why I'm not
I told
understanding.
you. I told you plenty of times over there that you're not flying. And
I
let's go to
understand
the
that, but you
counter.
never said why.
So why are we still here?
Because you never said why. Why don't nobody say why?
Disturbance and she said you're not flying.
But nobody said
But we
why.
keep
She
going
never
around
said
in
nothing to
circle.
me.
Let's go.
Exactly. Find out why, because I never said nothing to her.
She said you're causing a disturbance, and she says you're not flying. She just explained it to her. You keep saying, why? We're still standing here because you didn't say why. She just told you you have been creating a disturbance. Am I missing something here?
Matter.
It does.
You're not flying
It
no
does
matter
matter.
what.
You're not going to say it doesn't matter.
Okay, well,
It
he
does matter.
Okay, well, he's gonna find out why because she never said it to me.
You just went with what she said. You don't care. That's your point. That's your problem.
No, but that's something that you can take care of
No,
over there at the
okay.
time.
You should have said all of that when you were standing right here. You just say, let's go.
Stop looking at your phone and turn around and walk away. Let's go.
Come on, y'all gotta lead the way because we don't know where we're going.
That's the exit right there. Start walking in that direction. Let's go. Keep going. Keep going.
Pedal free. Pedal
That's
free.
stupid as fuck, man. This shit is stupid as fuck.
Go left.
Pedal free. Pedal free.
No, this shit is stupid because somebody said nobody talking to her. This shit is stupid as fuck. I gotta get on to my motherfucking shit. Hey, you a bitch. This shit is stupid.
Not
This
there.
shit is stupid.
Not there.
This shit is stupid as fuck.
Over here.
Hold on.
I got my kid. Stop snatching me. Why? Why are you snatching me?
Calm down.
I got my kid. I don't know. I didn't even stop.
Don't calm down.
Calm down.
Let it go. No. Back up. Back up. Okay.
I thought she wasn't
Calm
talking
down.
to
Calm down. I know. Calm down.
Down.
Keisha, we're gonna be okay. Stop. We're gonna be okay. I know. It's gonna be
I gotta
okay.
get to.
Ain't no way adults act like this, boy. I mean, I've taken plenty of flights, man, and I don't really say too. If I got a question to the agents, then I'll say something or whatever, just ask a quick question. But I'm listening to my music, I'm vibing, I'm doing my own thing, once I'm ready to go, got my ticket and everything ready. I don't even know how people could even get into incidents with the gate agents. I really don't understand what the confusion could be or whatever. Maybe if there's a delay or something like that, you might be upset, but that's a part of the game. I mean, I don't know if this is the case, but I just don't understand how people get into it with gate agents, because it ain't really much to talk about. Yo, we boarding at such and such time, and that's it. Show your ticket, boom. You ain't gotta say nothing to them. So where does the problem come in at?
You holding me tonight.
Stop.
I am. She just showed my. She just showed my.
Keisha, calm down. Look at me. Look at me. Calm down. Look at me. Look at me. We're gonna be okay. Calm down.
She gotta go.
Step out the doors.
She's getting arrested.
Come on.
Step out the
Why is she getting arrested?
Because I already told her that.
Man, no, you did not, man.
Sweetie, come here. Your credit card. Excuse me.
What are
Turn
you
around.
doing?
Put your hand behind your back. I'm telling you
You just
again.
said I'm okay.
No, you're not. You're
You
going to
just said
jail.
that.
I already told you.
What are you talking about?
I already
just came
told
through
you.
the
You're going to
exit.
jail.
I just came through the exit.
I told you.
No. I just came through the exit.
Turn around
Please.
before you
Please.
Let go.
You just said exit. I'm exiting.
No.
I am.
I told you to leave a long time
No,
ago.
you didn't. I'm not resisting. You just said exit. We just. I didn't even say nothing.
All right.
I didn't even just say nothing.
If you don't want additional charges,
I didn't even say nothing, baby.
put your hand behind your
I didn't say nothing.
Turn around.
I didn't say nothing. Y'all just said
Turn
exit.
around.
Oh my God, baby, you just said
Listen,
exit.
you're gonna get more charges.
All right, stop.
I am.
Stop.
Can you please?
Quiet.
Please don't arrest me.
Stop resisting.
Please don't arrest me.
Stop resisting.
I'm not. You just let me exit out here. I was going out the exit door. Doors.
No,
You
not
just.
it's not because you yelled, but because I told you like 20 times.
Okay,
let's
but
go.
you still let me go, though.
No, I didn't
Yes,
let
you
you go. I
did.
told you you
I
were
just
going
came
to
through the
jail.
exit
I
door.
said you were going to
I am
jail.
upset, baby. My baby had sickle cell.
Keisha.
I understand that.
Stop.
This is crazy. This is not
Stop
even me arguing with
talking.
people.
Stop talking.
They don't understand what you're
Stop talking.
I
Where
need
is
the
your
ID.
identification?
She picked it up.
No, I did not. I picked up my passport.
Sweetie, I got one. I got one. Don't make it two, because you will go two.
Because I'm telling you, it's
No, because I told you back there also to leave, and you were still there.
Man, my
Taking your stuff.
Man, I need to call somebody.
Man, nah. That female officer, she bugging on that one because she turning it into something else. I mean, nah. Hold on. You just pointed at her and said about the ID, and the lady was like, "No, I picked up my ID. I didn't pick up her ID." And now you talking about, be quiet, because you could go too. Wait, hold on. What? No, you just tried to blame me for picking somebody else's ID up, and I'm telling you I picked up my passport. Nah, we ain't gonna let that one slide now. You know what I'm saying? I fuck with my law enforcement guys. You know what I'm saying? But hey, be easy, cause that was some little slick stuff she just tried to pull real quick. I ain't gonna lie, I gotta run that one back.
Stop talking. Where
need the
is your
ID.
identification?
She picked it up.
No, I did not. I picked up my passport.
Sweetie, I got one. I got one. Don't make it two, because you will go two.
Because I'm telling you, it's
No, because I told you back there also to leave, and you were still there.
Man, my
Taking your stuff.
Man, I need to call somebody.
You can't call nobody.
Yes, I can. What? I need to call somebody. I don't have anybody's number.
Are you taking her stuff?
I need to call someone. I need to call
Is
someone.
your friend taking
I need
your
to call. Of course. I mean, I don't have no choice.
Keisha, listen to me.
I need to call somebody.
Listen to me. Your friend's gonna take all your personal. Okay? Come on. Okay? Look, you're just making it worse. Stop doing that.
Because it hurts, so I'm
Making
pulling
it
it up.
worse.
So
Stop.
it hurts. It hurts. I'm pulling it up some. It hurts.
You're gonna take her personal.
Hell no, I'm getting locked up. Call in.
Go ahead.
14 ENT.
Go in. Moving around.
You can touch me. You can touch me. Okay, well you can touch. I don't want her to touch me. I don't want her to touch
She's
me.
taking you to jail.
I'm the one taking
you. You don't have to touch me. Can you get your hand up? No, because you choked me and everything. You was holding me tight. You not touch me. Yes, you did. Don't touch me.
Did not touch
Man, can you please?
Can you just stop?
No, because she just choked me and stuff. No, I have a problem with it.
Let's go.
Come on.
Man,
She's the arresting officer. You're going to jail with her.
that's
Let me pat her down right here. Calm down, because you got to get patted down.
Come on.
Stay right here. No, stop. I'm telling you.
Stop swinging around. You're making things worse.
If you bring that attitude in jail, I'm gonna tell you right now, it ain't gonna go too nice for you.
Yeah, she right. Corrections a whole lot different than the regular police department outside.
All suspects are innocent until proven guilty.
All right, so yeah, they ain't talking about the charges, but yeah, that last comment that she said, hey, you bring that attitude in jail, you gonna be in for a rude awakening, boy. Yeah, she ain't lying.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.